Hi everyone, welcome to Bengali curry. Today I'm going to show how to prepare an Indian delicious dish Paneer Malai in microwave. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to prepare and it is a great combination with roti, naan or paratha. To prepare this dish we need 1 cup grated paneer, also known as Indian cottage cheese, half cup green peas, 2 tablespoons cream, 2 tablespoons tomato puree, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves or Kasoori Methi, salt to taste, sugar to taste. Let's take a bowl and put the oil on it. Put the bowl into microwave and heat the oil for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take it out. Now add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, cumin powder, tomato puree, salt, sugar and dry fenugreek leaves with it. Mix everything together. Put the bowl in microwave again for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take it out. Add grated paneer, green peas and cream. Mix everything together very well. Now again put the bowl in microwave and heat it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take the bowl out. Now Paneer Malai is ready. Enjoy Paneer Malai prepared in microwave with roti, naan or paratha as side dish. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked my recipe. Your comment will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching Bengali curry.